This is a used 2007 Dodge Caliber. Grab life by the horns. Powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, an auxiliary input, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Courtesy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1830 West Grand River Avenue, Okemos, Michigan 48864.